Welcome. Today I am with Microsoft Surface Go 2 and I will show you how we can enable or disable nearby sharing. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Next, pick System. Right now go for Shared Experience. And here we can turn on or turn off nearby sharing. When you turn it on, you can share or receive from only your devices or everyone nearby. You can also change the save files destination. You can also share across devices, so you can also turn it on and turn it off. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.